Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas and I'm going to quickly present my scientific work. In my project, I concern myself with making solar panels more sustainable. Currently, we clean solar panels using high pressurized water. This wastes approximately 50 billion liters of water annually. In these 2 years, I developed a waterless cleaning method that can clean the solar panel electrostatically. If you're curious as how cleaning something electrostatically looks like, I will overlay on screen my proof of concept. So how does this actually work? Using multiple different electrodes, we can overpower the adhesive and gravitational forces of the contaminants. In my work, I described this using multiple different equations, many of which are completely new. In total, I conducted 9 different experiments to validate my work. My actual large prototype you won't see just now. For that, you'll have to come visit me on the 26th of April at the National Contest of Swiss Youth in Science. Of course, I'll be glad to answer any questions regarding my work. See you soon.